Hi guys, Mike here from EasyCigarRoller.com, introducing you to the newest product we have on our website. It's called the Easy Press. Basically, it's a press for cigars to make box press cigars. I used to make one a long time ago that's like this myself. And trouble with it is, it just required me to have 4 or 5 of them around, or three. So that was an old design that I used to do. Now the new one is designed to handle up to a 64-inch ring gauge and a 8-inch cigar. I don't think you'd really want to do a 64-inch ring gauge. I think it would be too flat and wide, but you might. So we made it to handle that. It's pretty simple to use it. You simply put the cigars in. These have already been done because I wanted to show you the finished product when I was done showing you how to use it. So you just put them in. They'd be round, obviously, when they go in. Move over one stay at a time and put them in. Move over a stay. Trying to line them up so they're pretty reasonably in line. Move them over once they're all in there. It's designed to handle 6 cigars around 50 to 54-inch ring gauge. That seems to be the ones I like. You can make bigger ones or smaller ones, whatever you do when you're done. Then once they're in the press, you can do this by hand. It takes a while. You can use a screwdriver. I like to use the screw gun. It's pretty simple. You know, you'd be pressing them as you go. These have already been pressed, so it looks a little different. But you'll get the idea of how it works. Then you try to make them so they're even. You can pull it over so it's even and they're all going to be the same size. So that's how it works, and that's what it looks like when they're all in there. It's pretty simple, and they come out really nice. Stay in here for a day or two. It all depends on how tight you roll it, how tight you compress it, how much moisture you have in your tobacco when you roll it, how much moisture is in the air where you live at the particular time of year. So it's a lot of factors that you'll figure out easy. It's not rocket science. You'll figure it out. Like I said, here in New England, they stay for around a day. If I forget them, they can stay in here a week. If you forget about them and do something else, they're not hurting anything. So that's it. That's it. And then when they're done, you simply just unscrew it a little bit so you can pop them out and just simply take them out. They are flat. You know, they're nice and flat cigars now, and they're really a neat smoke. I go to a party and I bring a dozen of them, pass them out to people. They like them. It's got a nice feel. They're nice and smooth. They've got a good draw once you figure out how tight you want to roll them. It doesn't change the draw that much from when it's round, really. It's only just channeling the same volume of smoke, of air coming through it. It's just channeled differently. So, I mean, if you squish them way down, yeah, it's going to be like, put it like a piece of paper, then it's going to be really have no draw. So that's easy to figure out, and you'll understand it. So it's a new product we just made on our website. Like I said, the old one was nice. I had a lot of fun with it when I first made it. But I had to have 3 or 4 of them, and they were a pain. The pieces kept falling off. So this is the best design I came up with. I think you'll enjoy it. Hope you try it. So it's EasyCigarRoller.com, and it's the Easy Press. Thanks.